Welcome to the unboxing of the kblox Inventor Kit, your complete solution for exploring the world of electronics, robotics, and embedded systems. Right on top, you'll find the project manual, a comprehensive step-by-step guide packed with circuit diagrams, assembly instructions, and ready-to-use code, perfect for both beginners and advanced learners. Next, we have laser-cut MDF sheets, 5 in total, used for building various and robot structures, project enclosures, and practical casing designs. Now let's explore the heart of this kit, the Arduino Uno DIP version, your microcontroller that brings every idea to life through programming and hardware control. Along with it, you'll get a rich collection of sensors and modules, the ultrasonic sensor for distance measurement, PIR sensor for motion detection, sound sensor, IR sensor, and even RFID module to build security and automation projects. You'll also find a joystick module for control-based project and a small SG90 servo to power precision movement. Supporting your creations are the BO motors along with a sturdy pair of big wheels. To control those motors, the kit includes the reliable L298N motor driver module and BO motor holders for mounting. Here's the resource box, a well-organized collection of essentials including screws and nuts in small, medium, and large sizes. A caster wheel for smooth navigation, push buttons, LEDs, and an RGB LED, and a B10 buzzer for interactive output. Also included are female DC jack cable for safe power connection, a rechargeable battery and C-type cable for charging, a prototyping shield, 0 PCB, and plenty of jumper wires, male, female, and female to flexible circuit design. Connect your board easily using the included Arduino Uno cable and elevate your visual projects with the included LED matrix module. The kblox Inventor Kit is more than just a box of parts. It's a complete innovation ecosystem designed to help you prototype, learn, and build like a real engineer. Explore endless possibilities where creativity meets technology. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube for more tutorials, project ideas, and exciting innovations.